contact is enrolled into that particular workflow. For example, you added a new contact in that particular account-based marketing dashboard, and it is already enrolled in that workflow. The email will be, for example, they are a CFO, decision maker. They will receive an email with a hard copy, with a soft copy of a ebook, and also they will see an ad in LinkedIn to download that particular ebook as part of ad. Okay, all right. So now that we have discussed all of that, I'm going to quickly talk a little bit about ads. We have already talked about ad integration, so I'm not going to go through that again. It's in part 1 of this webinar series. So you can, just do that. Let me just show you how it looks like if you're just join this webinar right now. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay. So when you push that contact through the workflow, it is generally added to this particular audiences, right? So there is an ad going on which I have paused right now. This is just for dummy purpose, but I think you got the point. Right? It will be added to the audiences, and then this particular ad campaign will start running. Now, what kind of ad really works well? Is the question, especially for LinkedIn, right? So if I go to the ad design. And the ad creatives, I can give you some examples for ad designs and ad creatives as well. Okay, but the idea is to have budget ad strategy and performance monitoring. So we have seen how to assign buying role based on decision makers and influencers and other stuff. The best kind of ads for ABM is the lead based ads. For example, white papers, case studies, webinars. These are the best kind of content that works really well when it comes to ABM based campaigns on LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, so the messaging should be focused on cost savings, efficiency improvements, and like so on. Okay, use carousel, single image ads, simple ads, and thought leadership content also works very well. Okay, so I have taken some example of that which I can show. So launch 3 to 5 ads initially per role and rotate every 4 to 6 weeks. So 3 to 5 ads you can create separately for each audiences based on the role, and then rotate it every 4 to 6 weeks. So that means they will not get fatigue of seeing the same exact ad over and over again for months at a time, right? I sometimes see the same exact ad for multiple days and I get annoyed, by certain companies. So, just make sure that you keep that. And frequency should be 12 to 15 month. 12 to 15 per month, I'm sorry. Okay, that means don't show them too many. Okay. And allocate 60 to 70% of the budget here for high value accounts. Okay. And use premium formats like video and carousel for high personalization. Okay. And the mid party 20-30% of the budget, and the broader retargeting should be done for 10 to 20% of the budget. Okay, I'm going to put the link of this document for everybody who is interested in with some best practices, and I'm going to talk more on that on the coming days as well. All right. So just monitor the cost per lead, CTR, engagement from each tier, and see how your ads are performing. Okay. Now, these are some examples of the ad that I have made that works really well. For example, this one is a Google ad. I really liked it. Tuesday is better than Apollo. It's straightforward. Perfect. It's to the point. These are all LinkedIn ads that I really like. So I just took some screenshots and I have put up because I get this query all the time. Hey, what kind of ads we should run on LinkedIn when it comes to ABM and customer match and targeted personalized ads? So these ads are super good, and these are ABM based ads. So this is a simple ad which gives a testimony around this particular company. And by the way, I have no affiliation with these companies, by the way. Okay, I have no connection or affiliation with TaskRocket or Tuesday or any of these companies. It's just for the learning purpose. I'm using their ads. Other than that, I have no affiliation with them. Okay, and this is purely for educational purpose and nothing else. Right. Uh, so, so this is a testimonial based. This is comparison, right? Old way, new way, very good, works very well. And these are, as you can see, these are simple carousel and image based ads, nothing fancy. Then other one, how to save more money, right? Another comparison, but the idea is to save. Then spend less, again save. As you can see, save is a very important criteria here. Uh, Simple ads here, okay. And then this one is again comparison, okay, without this particular company with this particular company, how things look like. And then this is again a testimonial based ads, and this is an example of an email, right? So very good example of an email, which I just copy pasted. I got it from Tela. I'm using Tela, by the way. So good tool. It's a replacement for